Cute. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. My name is deneatreslatreec. On my channel, you can expect to see weekly vlogs, day in the lives, get ready with me, a little bit of cleaning, wig reviews, and a whole lot of things. So if you're into any of that, go ahead, hit that fabulous subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. So today, this video is sponsored by the lovely Cranberry Hair, and we are going to be reviewing their lovely curly wig. I did do a little unboxing. They did send over a wig cap and some lovely lashes, and this is the hair right here. This is a 4x4 deep wave Malaysian wig, Remy hair, and it's 180% density. It's a lace front. This is 100% virgin hair, and it comes with this little lace in the front. You get 2 combs on the side, and you get a comb in the back. Those come with adjustable straps. So this is the hair. This is so gorgeous, y'all, and this is 20 inches, and it's the color 1B. 4x4 parting space. Looks pretty good. First thing that I would like to say about this hair, and I don't know if it's gonna be for everybody who gets this particular unit, but when it does come, it did have a little smell to it, so I did have to wash it. So this is washed hair, and you see how good it looks. So this is washed and dried. It looks really good. Now it smells like I can put this wig on. So at first I was like, honey, I ain't doing it. But once you wash this hair, as you can see, the curls still be popping. Okay. So now I'm gonna take this unit off, and we are going to put this one on by Cranberry and see how she is. Alright, y'all, so I done took off the other unit. Now let's get into this beauty right here. Y'all know I love a curly wig, honey. So let's put this beauty on. And I have a mirror right here so I can see what I am doing. And I am liking this with the lace just in the front and not all the way down, because you are protecting your edges. So I'm liking that, and it cuts down on getting ready, because you don't have to worry about that lace going all the way down. So we'll put this hair back, and we're gonna work on this lace. So today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be using my Got To Be glue freezing spray, and we are going to put that on. So while that is finishing layering, it's down for the most part, but I just want to make sure it has a real good hold. We are going to move on to this hair, honey. Yes. So we are going to spray this hair down and give it some more bubble. So next I'm going to be using this Cantu leave-in conditioner curling cream, because I want to define the curls more. Let's see, damn, I'm not even done. This looks so good, so pretty. Now I'm going to use some foam. I know y'all probably saying, girl, you using a lot of products on this hair, but honey, once I do this, I don't have to worry about messing with this hair for days, and then all I do is just retouch up. So next I'm going to put on this Cantu Natural Hair Dry Denying Moisture Seal. It's gel oil. I love this stuff. This stuff is so good. I had got this in a box. I used to do one of the monthly subscription box. I forgot what it's called. I think it's called Curl Box. And I got this in this box. And I never used it until I got this. And honey, I love it. It like locks in everything. It smells good. Y'all see, I love my Cantu products. Love my Cantu products. Next, I'm going to use my dimming brush. Make sure everything gets in smooth. So I'm going to take this off because, alright y'all see that lace? Now to some, I may want to go in and pluck some more, but I don't have time right now to do that because I have to go to work. So I'm trying to see how I want to do this. Let's see. Looks good. That lace looks good too. On my skin, it looks good. So I'm liking the lace. But I would suggest going and plucking some more. The hairline, it just ain't hitting. So you need to go pluck in. Need to pluck. What's up, everybody? I am back. So it is several hours later. I done been to work and came back, and now I'm gonna show y'all the results of this beautiful wig. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, y'all. It is lightweight. It's so soft, and as y'all see, I did the diffuser to give it some more volume, and honey, it's looking fabulous. Like, I absolutely love it. Now I will say, with this unit, like, the lace looks good. It looks good on me, but you are going to have to go in to pluck it because the hairline, honey, is like, it's not there. You're gonna have to go in and pluck it to give it a more realistic hairline. But honey, other than that, it is gorgeous. I absolutely love this wig. It is so amazing. Also, I want to point out that I don't know if you get this wig, if you will have the same issue with this wig, but when I did receive this wig, when they sent me out this wig, it did have a smell to it, so I did have to wash it a couple of times to get rid of that smell, because honey, that smell was not it was a baby, like buddy, no, that's that's all I got to say. It was a no, but we got it together and we washed it, so like you can watch this baby, honey, and it is amazing. It is amazing, y'all. Let me show y'all the bag. I love this wig, y'all. It is so cute and flirtatious. Like, it's amazing. It is so good. But y'all see, I went in and I plucked right here. Like, you can tell where I plucked and where I didn't pluck it. You can tell. I'm gonna go in and pluck some more, but I had my hair like this today, so I really wasn't worried about that side. I just did this side. And yes, honey, it is so cute. It is amazing. So yes, Cranberry, yes, it is so cute. I absolutely love it, and I know y'all would love it as well. So make sure y'all go check out Cranberry Hair if you are interested in this one. This is the 4x4 Deep Wave Malaysian Remy hair. It is 100% virgin hair and 180% density, honey. So yes, you are getting some fabulousness right here, okay? Some fabulousness. So it is a lace front wig. You're only going to get it right here. It's parted on the side, on this side, in the middle to give, you know, the versatile look. Yes. And this is 20 inches. And it comes down on me like this. This is how it comes down on me. So yes. I absolutely love this wig, y'all. I'm loving this wig. It's so amazing. If y'all want something to wear for Christmas or holidays, New Year's, Valentine's Day, go and pick her up, honey. Go ahead and pick her up. I will leave all the information in the description box below for anyone who is interested, or if you want to give this to someone as a gift, you can go ahead and do so. All the information will be in the description box below. Again, I want to thank Cranberry Hair for sponsoring this video, and if you have not already, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. And make sure that you stay tuned because I will be coming back in a month or so to give you an update on how this unit is holding up. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!